In tonight's Hometown Health, WDBJ7 talks to the only dentist in Virginia using a special laser that makes dentistry virtually pain-free. WDBJ7 anchor Nadia Singh spoke to Dr. Robert Hall at his Lexington practice today. Pain-free sounds great when it comes to the dentist. What is so special about this particular laser?
Well, Jean, the Solea laser is the only FDA-approved laser that can be used on both hard and soft tissue, meaning that includes the teeth, gums, and bone. Dr. Hall says it's a game changer for dentistry.
We're early adapters of technology.
And that's why Dr. Robert Hull is the only dentist in Virginia with the Solea laser. The laser is revolutionary because it can handle fillings, gum work, and in some cases, root canals.
Each pulse of the laser removes about 2 microns of tooth structure. So it's such a small amount of tooth structure that's being obliterated or basically vaporized that the mind cannot tell what's going on.
Which means virtually no pain.
It sort of anesthetizes the tooth after about 30 seconds. So without anesthetic actually being put in a syringe, the energy of the laser actually numbs the tooth.
In most cases, there's no need for needles or numbing like with traditional procedures.
I would say 99% of the time when we're using the laser, we find that patients are very accepting.
It's easy to be skeptical with a claim like that, so we sat in on Ronnie Hauk as Dr. Hull filled his cavity with the laser.
In the past, I have dreaded coming to dentists, and it was extremely painless. I mean, I didn't feel a thing.
Hull has used this technology hundreds of times, and patients tell him they won't go back to traditional dental techniques.
Without a doubt, every one of them has said uncategorically that they would rather go through the laser process.
And that goes for today's patient as well.
I was surprised myself on how well it went. Dr. Rob did an excellent job.
Jean, right now only 100 dentists are using this technology. The other Solea providers close to Virginia are in Maryland, Delaware, and Tennessee. Hull expects Solea to catch on, especially for dentists in larger cities, because it takes the anxiety out of those dentist visits. Nadia Singh, WDBJ 7.